you going? I'm asking you. You're eating? So we're going to... You'll find out later. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're here at Philadelphia International Airport, flying to Doha via American Airlines Flagship Business Class. This is actually my second time riding American Airlines Business Class, and I'm just wondering if it still remains the same as the last time. So here we are, assigned to seat 8K, which is the last row on the right side, window side of the plane, and it's configured as 1, 2, and 1 sitting arrangements, and the seats are still the same as the last time I took it 5 years ago. The only difference is the amenity kits are now more improved. However, the amenities inside are still the tiny little pieces of lotions, lip balm, and a pen, socks, and eye mask. So also they added in some Casper cushioning. Before they didn't have that, now they have that. So I guess they improved a little bit. So let's see what else they have. I know, I remember before the food was great. Let's see if they still have the same great quality of food. Now we are now being pushed back and getting ready to go to Doha. Here we are, they're preparing now the safety instructions in case of emergency.
We all do it for one reason. That's why your safety is so important to us. So let's go over some in-flight instructions so that we can get you safely on your way. To buckle your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap tight. To open, lift the top of the buckle. If you're seated in the premium cabin and your seat is also clipped with a shoulder belt, fasten the belt by attaching it to the buckle until you hear it click. If you're seated in the premium cabin and your seat is equipped with a push button, insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap tight. Then fasten your shoulder belt by attaching it to the buckle until you hear it click. To open, simply press on the button. The shoulder belt must be worn during taxi, takeoff, and landing. And remember, seatbelts should be fastened whenever you're seated in case of unexpected turbulence. Now, make sure your seat is upright. All larger electronic devices are put away. Carry-ons are placed all the way under the seat front and front.
They also provide noise cancelling headset. An hour after we took off, they start serving like peanuts and some drinks, and I can't help but notice the full moon right in front of my seat right there. And it looks so nice, but it looks so small right here on the screen, but it looks so big on the window seats. And now they just hand in mixed nuts and some drinks of your choice, and the meal right after. After the meal, I changed to pajama that they gave earlier. This is another good addition to being business class passenger, and now I have it, and fix my bed and getting ready to go to sleep. 6 hours later, we were awakened by the lights and also announcements, because they were announcing that we had to make an emergency landing or stop in Madrid because of some medical emergency on board. And unfortunately, this flight was stopped in Madrid, and we had to go take another flight to go to Doha.